Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So it's been a while since I did my last video and I have a lot of content coming this week. So I'll start with this new battery that I have here. I am not sure, but I think I might be the first to do a video on it in Nigeria on YouTube. And it's the new Pylontech UP5000. So let me read a little bit of the specs, and then I'll open it and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So it's 4.8 kilowatt hours, 95%, you can discharge up to 95%, and now you can parallel up to 16 units, unlike before where you were limited to I think 6 or 7. Now you can go up to 16 units without the hub. Remember, you needed a hub in order to go past a certain number. Now you can go up to 16 without the hub. 95% state of discharge, and you could pull 4.56 kilowatt hours out of this battery. This one is actually brand new. 01/02/2021 was the date of manufacture. It's called this is scratched off, but bear with me. It's called the Pylontech UP5000. So let me open it and show you what's inside. I've opened the box, and the first thing to greet you is the user's manual, and then the packing list. And the packing list, it lists 11 items: the battery module, 48 volts, 100 amp hour, positive cable short, negative cable short. So these are the interconnecting cables between the batteries, which are these two here. It allows you to connect it to another battery. And then it has RJ45 cascade cable, I believe that's this one. Grounding cable, that's this one in there. Grounding cable screw. Okay, that's not in this particular one here, but it's right here. So grounding cable screw is in here. Cabinet screw is in here. Cabinet nut is in here. Installation manual is this one. And then packing list, which is this one we're reading right now, and the warranty card. So let me open it. Let me take the top off so you can see the module, and then I'll lift it out. So here it is. I'm not going to read you the dimensions, but they're bigger than the US 2000 or the US 3000. So let me bring it out, and then we'll go over the basics. See the battery positive, battery negative, and see if there's any difference in terms of looks compared to what you've seen before. So here is our Pylontech. This is new, I think. The contact and console, A CAN, and RS485, that's normal. Link 0 port, link 0 port. So I think in the old ones we only had 2 of these. This one has a 3rd one. Your dip switch is normal. As you can see, it's actually bigger. This is the same as a power switch. The run on and off, it's still there. Your battery positive and your battery negatives are still the same. So here is your Pylontech UP5000, and we'll be putting it through we'll test it this week with another inverter that we got on. We actually have a surprise inverter that we got, and we can't wait to show you that inverter. We might be the first to do a video on it in Nigeria for sure, or we might just be the first to do a video with it on YouTube, period. So it's a new product from DE. They've talked about it for a while. We have one, and I'll be doing a video on it so you can see how it differs from the other DE inverters and what makes it the big and powerful inverter that DE claims it is. So once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria, and today I have unboxed the Pylontech UP5000. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you're here to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria.